Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your Reddit account to access all platform features and establish credibility, follow these simple steps for successful verification. Step 1. Visit the Reddit website or download the Reddit app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Click on Sign Up to create a new account. Enter your email address, optional but recommended for verification. Create a username and set a password. Step 3. Complete the account creation process by agreeing to Reddit's terms of service and user agreement. Step 4. If you provided an email address during registration, Reddit will send a verification email. Check your inbox. Step 5. Open the verification email from Reddit. The subject line typically reads, "Verify your Reddit email address," or similar. Step 6. Click on the verification link in the email. This will redirect you to Reddit and automatically verify your email address. Step 7. Log in to your Reddit account and navigate to user settings by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. Step 8. In user settings, make sure your email is marked as verified. This is important for account recovery and security features. Step 9. For enhanced security, enable two-factor authentication in the safety and privacy section of your settings. Step 10. Complete your profile by adding an avatar, bio, and other information to personalize your Reddit experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.